Step into the Dodge 2018 Challenger RT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 1-year Sirius XM Guardian trial, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, HD radio, integrated center stack radio, media hub, 2 USB-O, and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.